Hello everyone, welcome to the Natural History Museum in London. I'm Connor and I'm in a museum's conservation studio. Now down here is where our fantastic specimens are cleaned, repaired and generally kept in good working order. Now there's a lot of cool things happening down here, but I think it'd be great to go over and introduce you to someone that works down here. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go over and meet them. So this is Kieran, and he's a fossil preparator here at the Natural History Museum. How are you doing today, Kieran?
I'm all right, thanks, Connor. How's it going?
All good, thanks. Thank you so much for having us down here.
You're welcome.
So what is a fossil preparator? What do you do?
Well, a fossil preparator's job is to prepare fossils for research or display, and this typically involves removing the surrounding matrix, the rock that's surrounding the fossil, so it can be more easily seen and studied. So for large or fragile fossils that are found in the field, we'll typically make them a protective support jacket and bring them back here to the lab where they can be opened up and studied.
And I mean, there's something on the table right in front of you right now. Something new's come in. Do you have any idea what's in there?
No, not yet. We can crack it open and take a look.
I think we should go do that. So yeah, lead the way. Please show us how it's done. Thank you very much, Kieran. And would you look at that? It's our YouTube award for hitting 100,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to everyone watching for making this happen. We really couldn't have done it without you. So thank you for coming back, watching our videos, liking and commenting on all of our stuff. We really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, then this is your reminder to do so now, because we have a brand new live series coming up in which we take you behind the scenes in the museum, but you will get to decide where we go, what doors we open, and what things we're going to look at. And best of all, on every episode, we're going to be joined by a museum scientist, and you'll get to pitch your fantastic questions to them directly. So that's happening every first Friday of every month. The first show is happening on the 1st of July at 3:30 p.m. British Summer Time. But until then, make sure you subscribe, follow us along, and make sure you tune in for those live shows. Thank you very much, and goodbye.